Hello, how's it going? Any name? There's nothing to warn about. In this video, we're going to show how we assemble our water and air dispensing cabinet. How do you assemble it? Well, it consists of several parts. The cabinet, our electronic control head. These are the main parts. Two hoses arranged spirally. The water hose has inflated, and the very first step that we are going to take will be to carefully remove our rear cover. Which is made up of 6 screws located at the back. In order, the numbers are 2, followed by 3, followed by 4, and finally 5 as listed, without changing their meaning for clarity. And 6. Should you be able to inspect the cabinet's interior, you will observe the network of hoses that will be connected to the water inlet on this side and to the compressor portion on the opposite side. That installation must be performed by a qualified technician, either a plumber for the water side or a technician who can connect the compressor for us. We are going to lower the cabinet in order to place our head properly. Our electronic head unit, a 110-volt outlet, is connected here. This cable can operate from 110V up to 240V. In our case, we will connect it to 110V at the rear. It has 4 screws that protrude and will be used to securely fix the unit to the cabinet. So we're going to remove the 4 screws. And we are going to insert the head from the outer side first, guiding the cable very gently into place now. And we will be very careful not to tear the warranty seal. Once the cabar is in place, my esteemed colleague will now ask me to help carefully place the cabinet with the cabar on the table, so as to perform its fixation properly. Consequently, we shall very carefully reattach the 4 screws that we had previously removed from the head, in order to securely and firmly fasten them back to the cabinet housing. The recommendation is that we carry this out. This cross-shaped fastener that holds the screws in their intended position. Grip the fastener firmly and steadily, ensuring the screws remain secure in place. We have carefully placed all 4 screws in position. Let's go ahead and shake hands then. Well, internally, this would sit here in the base, with its inlets, both the water hose and the compressor, and its electrical connection. We are going to fit the cap on now. Thank you very much. Thank you. Here. The recommendation is that we should commence with the central screws, because, as is often observed, the weight of the lid itself can cause it to loosen over time, and at times it is quite challenging for us to identify precisely the apertures where we should insert the 6 screws. Now we are going to proceed to fit the various accessories for our water dispenser in this installation right away. One runs from one end to the other in a straight line. This is the essential connection between 2 parts as a whole. It is recommended to search for a small amount of flow to place it properly now, right away. This is the side of the water, and we are going to place his hand, his water hose. Well, the hydraulic installation is intended for a plumber. They were here merely to supply it, or otherwise we now proceed to fit the air supply hose, and we shall also apply a small amount of Teflon sealant to help prevent any possible leaks from forming, so as to ensure a good seal at every connection. And from the other faith, we locate their inflated ones. Yes, the work instructions. They are inside the packaging around our head. He will clearly explain to us exactly how to do it properly step by step. Continue working. That is all there is. Thank you very much.